In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to type the copyright symbol on Windows, Mac, and InDesign. The copyright symbol, C, is a small character with a big job. You'll see it in footers, captions, legal notices, and design layouts. Today, I'll show you the quickest, most reliable ways to insert it exactly where you need it without hunting through menus or copying from the web. Start by placing your text cursor exactly where you want the symbol to appear. Click into your document, email, caption, or text frame so you see the blinking insertion point. This ensures the symbol drops in at the precise spot you intend and not somewhere else in the line. On Windows, use the classic Alt code method. Press and hold the Alt key, then type 0169 on the numeric keypad and release Alt to insert C. A few important tips here. You must use the dedicated numeric keypad on the right side of a full-size keyboard. The number row across the top won't work for alt codes. Make sure numlock is turned on so those keys register as numbers. If you're on a compact keyboard or a laptop, the keypad may be embedded. Look for small number legends and use your function modifier as your device specifies, or connect an external keypad for a smoother experience. If nothing appears, try again without long pauses between the digits. Confirm numlock is active and keep Alt held down until all four numbers are entered. On a Mac, it's even simpler. Hold the Option key and press G, then release both. Option plus G instantly inserts the C symbol at your cursor. This shortcut works consistently across most apps, notes, browsers, office tools, and creative software. Depending on your keyboard, Option might also be labeled Alt. If you use a different keyboard layout, it's still the Option key with the G key position on that layout. If you're working in Adobe InDesign and prefer a visual approach, open the Glyphs panel. Go to the Type menu, choose Glyphs, and you'll see a grid of characters from your current font. With your text cursor active in the frame, find the copyright sign, often labeled copyright sign, and double-click it. InDesign inserts it exactly where your cursor sits. If you don't see it right away, set the Show menu